In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix PS5 not saving game data. So this is what I did myself. Firstly, as you can see, I firstly went into settings here on my PS5 and then I scrolled down and I clicked on storage. So what I had to do myself is that I had to free up some of the console storage right here because it was near the end for me. So I had like 500 megabytes left before and I had to free up quite a lot, and now it works fine. And the best way to free up is to, for example, if you have a game that you don't play anymore, you can just go into games here, as you can see, and then you're going to click on the options button on your PS5 controller and click on delete. And you can delete a game that you don't play anymore or you don't have that interest in that game anymore. What you can also do, if it's not a storage issue, is to go back into settings right here, then go into system, system software, and then system software update and settings, and make sure that this one is up to date. If it's not, you can click here and update using internet. And that is basically exactly how you can fix it.